Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in our last class we have discussed about the relevance of AI in daily life, which includes 6 dimensions of AI and also about smart living. So today our topic is using AI to achieve SDGs. So what is SDG? Sustainable Development Goals. And before that, let us discuss about the sustainable development. Children, everybody wants various kinds of developments. And in order to develop, we want to enhance the standard of life. And are we going in a right direction? Is it development or sustainable development that we are focusing upon? Yes, we have to focus upon sustainable development. That is, we have to keep our resources for the future generation. Development that meets the needs of the present without compromising resources of the future generation. And that is what meant by sustainable development. And it is the development that allows future generation to meet their needs. How? By using resources wisely. We should use all the resources wisely. Okay, children? Now, let's start with SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals. And it is a set of 17 goals which were adopted to meet the urgent challenges of world, which includes three categories. What are they? Environmental, social and economical. And the issues covered under these goals include, that is, we have to end extreme poverty, then ensuring all children receive a proper education, and also for promoting better practices for consumption and production of the resources. Children, let's see how AI is helping to achieve SDGs. By 2050, 9.5 billion alive, and we don't know how will we provide them clean water, sustainable energy, education and all. So AI can adjust the various factors in a way that maybe can solve these problems. It has enormous capacity and potential to solve problems that require an enormous amount of computing and pattern recognition that human beings struggle with. So, children, we can see some of the examples of AI helping in achieving sustainable development goals. The first one is ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Using smart water management solutions can help us to decrease the water consumption. And the next one is affordable and clean energy. We can use AI based smart energy solutions to cause minimum energy savings. And the next is sustainable cities and communities. For example, in the case of disaster management, AI used satellite imagery data along with object detection techniques can be used for creating real-time map of flooded and non-flooded areas, thus by which it allows disaster management teams to plan better. And the next topic is responsible consumption and production. How AI can help? Yes, AI based smart systems helps to boost farm productivity and reducing wastage of resources. The next is climate action. Different AI-based solutions are used to reduce emission of greenhouse gases, and it will lead to reduce pollution and also for encouraging the adoption of non-polluting renewable energy resources. Children, but the thing is that adoption of these technologies is not an easy job. Why? Because of mainly two problems. The first one is data availability and accessibility. The collection of data is not easy. And the second one is availability of talented manpower. That is, there is a shortage of people who are capable of developing AI based solutions. The next topic is possibilities of AI in various fields. So children, if you want to go for AI related jobs in your future, what you should do? You should have good knowledge of maths and computer science. Now, let's see some real life examples of the use of AI technology. The first one is Hello Barbie, which use three concepts of AI: language processing, machine learning, and advanced analytics. That is, it has a microphone in it. Then the microphone records what the child says, and from a set of preset dialogues it will respond. And the next is IBM Watson. It is a suite of AI services, applications and tools which are provided by IBM. So, Chef Watson, it is a AI chef that can develop recipes on their own and help human chefs creating new and unique flavors is an example of AI technology by IBM. The next is Infervision. It is a Chinese product which uses AI for saving lives. For example, it helps radiologists to detect cancers more accurately and efficiently. The next is DeepMind. You might heard of that AI system that is able to mimic human brains, and it defeats human players in number of games. And the next is Google Brain, which use AI for image enhancement and also for natural language processing. And it has used for video recommendations on YouTube by analyzing the habits, behavior and preferences of the user. You might have seen that it gives different recommendations of different videos on the basis of your preferences. And it is also using AI technology for developing self-driving vehicles. These are some few examples of AI. You can see different examples in your surroundings. So just go through your textbook. Please read it. And there is also a worksheet in page number 22. So you have to complete that. Before that, you have to read all the 17 goals of sustainable development and then do the worksheet. Okay children, read your textbook. That's all for today. Let's see in the next class with some new topic. Till then, bye.